What's the meaning of controlling interest? Controlling interest. Controlling interest.
Controlling interest. Controlling interest. Controlling interest refers to the amount of ownership in a company that is sufficient to exert significant influence over its management and operations. This typically involves owning 50% or more of the voting shares of the company. When an entity holds controlling interest in a company, it has the power to make key decisions, such as appointing members of the board of directors and determining the company's strategic direction. This allows the controlling entity to essentially control the destiny of the company and make decisions that can have a huge impact on its success or failure.